Good evening. This is Joseph Emanuele from your Costa Rica connection and Remax Los Tres Amigos in Playa Hermosa, Costa Rica. Well, as you can see, or maybe take a guess, I'm sitting in my pool. Just got done doing a little bit of landscaping and some pool maintenance. I actually vacuumed my pool myself and checked the chemicals, did a backwash, all that kind of stuff you need to do when you own a pool. Now, here in Costa Rica, it's very easy to hire some very good companies in the Playa del Coco area and the Playa Hermosa area that can maintain the pool for you. So as an example, this pool is only, 19 feet long. It's really not a pool. And it's like 8 feet wide. That's about it, if that. So it's kind of like a plunge pool. I do it all myself because it only takes about a half hour. My last house, I had a really big pool. It was like 38 feet long and it was 19 and a half feet wide and 6 feet deep. It was huge, right? I tried doing it on my own and it took me hours to get it right, and I hired a company. So there are a lot of good companies here in the area to do your pool maintenance and your landscaping as well. A pool this size, like mine, it's not very big, okay? A pool my size would probably cost you roughly $60 a month, including chemicals, and that would be 2 cleanings a week. They would do the backwash, the vacuuming, check your pH and your chlorine, and do all that kind of stuff for you. So here in the Playa Hermosa and the Playa del Coco area, we do have very good companies that do service pools. So I just wanted to pass a little bit of that information on to you. If for any reason at all you have any questions about Costa Rica, specifically the Papagayo region, Playa Hermosa, Playa del Coco, I'll be more than happy to answer your emails. Just send me one to Joseph Emanuele at remax.net. That's Joseph Emanuelli at remax.net, and I'll respond. Oh, there's Sam in the background, one of my boys. I got 4 dogs, so that's one of my street rescues, Sam, who just showed up in the camera. Anyway, feel free to send me an email. Any questions at all about the area, about relocating, buying property, whatever. Immigration. I've been here 12 years. I've been doing it a long time. I've been through a lot of the processes myself, and I'm happy to share my information with you. So thanks a lot. Have a great evening. I'm getting ready to go for the rest of the swim and cool off for the evening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.